Are you searching for a top-notch Magento agency to elevate your online store? How do I sift through the options and pick the best fit? Let's examine the essentials of choosing the right Magento partner for your business. Magento agencies offer expert support and guidance for Magento store owners. These agencies are proficient in hosting, development, design, consulting, and Magento support. Choosing a Magento agency brings numerous benefits: understanding of Magento features, creation of user-friendly websites, and industry-specific knowledge. And how do you choose the right agency? Focus on their experience, client feedback, portfolio, and their comprehension of Magento filters. Any efficient Magento agency's key services are market research, strategy development, Magento hosting, development and design, and training. Before selecting an agency, define your business requirements and set your approximate budget for creating an e-commerce store. When choosing, consider the agency's reputation, experience, and the Magento hosting services they offer. Consider the agency's transparency, communication, quality testing, and pricing. It's always important to read customer reviews and feedback. Managed Magento hosting services to aid successful e-commerce operations. They provide improved site performance, enhanced security, regular updates, and superior customer service. MGT-COMMERCE hosting services offer high-speed, secure hosting for your online store. With a page load time of under 0.3 seconds, we offer managed Magento hosting. It ensures your store stays fast and secure. Choose from the best Magento agencies across the globe. We evaluate agencies like Magento, Cora, and others known for high-quality services. When deciding, also question the agency's commitment to mobile and app development, as it's crucial for modern e-commerce. Agencies with a broad presence like Inchu and Vimo focus on digital marketing, offering comprehensive Magento solutions. Magento providers streamline order fulfillment, boosting operational efficiency for retailers. A good Magento agency regularly checks website functionality to ensure reliability and efficiency. Agencies can often make website changes without interrupting current business processes, ensuring continuity. Remember, selecting the right Magento agency will ensure the growth of your e-commerce business. You're now equipped with the knowledge to choose the ideal Magento agency. Make the decision that will transform your e-commerce experience. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more videos.